Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to create dynamic form validation of required input field in LWC. In this lesson, we will be see how to create custom lightning spinner in LWC. So first, we will be create a lightning component. The component name will be lightning spinner LWC. Then I will be show and hide the spinner icon on button click in LWC component. So first create the lightning LWC component. So copy the name and jump to the VS Code. So to create a new LWC component, Control Shift P and select Create LW Lightning Web Component. Write the name of the file and press Enter. Select default LWC and press Enter. So here the LWC component has been created. The JavaScript file is automatically created. And now I'll open the HTML. This is a JavaScript file and meta.xml file. So in the meta.xml file, I will use expose equal to true and will be use targets and target. In the target, I will apply lightning app page so that this lightning component will be visible in the lightning app page. Now going to the HTML file. In the HTML file, I will create lightning card. Title, lightning spinner, lightning spinner display on the LWC. Icon name is custom 23. Inside the lightning card, I will create a div class SLDS P around medium. So it will give a binding space inside the container of the div. So inside the div, I will create two lightning button. One for show the spinner, second for hide the spinner. Lightning button, label, show spinner, on change, on, click, pass the action method, show spinner, action. And another one is lightning button, label, hide the spinner, on click, method will be passed, hide spinner. So I create two lightning button, one for show the spinner and second for hide the spinner. Pass the variant brand, so it will display as a blue color. And here pass the add a color class name SLDS P horizontal small. So it will give a space between both of the button. So I'm giving the space between both of the button. Below the div, I will create a container for display the spinner icon show and hide. Here I will use the template if condition to show and hide on the button click function. So template if true, then I am using a track variable here. So spinner status. So this spinner status will be true, then this spinner will be displayed. So use a div, add a class SLDS is relative. Inside the div use a section. In the section add a class SLDS. The model SLDS model SLDS head in open. In this section I will use a lightning spinner. Lightning spinner level equal to spinner loading alternative text loading variant brand. There is no required for label here. So in the spinner tag I will use alternative text. It is a loading and variant brand so that it will display the blue color. Below the section I will use a div. Inside the div I will apply class name SLDS backdrop SLDS backdrop open. So it will use to fading background color backside to the spinner icon. Use the style width 60%. Height 50%. Margin auto. So it will display as a background gray color beside the spinner icon. So after that I will create a this is a track variable. So I will create this is the spinner status in the JavaScript, the export method, other track, and this is the variable. So I am using a track variable. So I also import the track in the import method here. Then create a two function. First for display the spinner icon. Second for the hide the spinner icon. So first show spinner icon. Create a show spinner icon, and another one is hide spinner icon. So by default this spinner status it is a false. Whenever click on the show button, this spinner button value will be passed true. Equal to true. And whenever click on the hide spinner button, this spinner button pass this spinner status value will be false. This dot spinner status equal to false. So whenever user click on the show spinner, it will pass the true and spinner button will be spinner icon will be display. And whenever click on the button hide, it will pass the false and spinner icon will be hide. So let me deploy this code to the Salesforce. Code has been deployed successfully. Now go to the Salesforce. I am calling this component to here. Edit the page. My component name is spinner, lightning spinner LWC. Select and drag and drop here. Save. Change the shape and back to layout. So there is two button available here. Show spinner and hide spinner. So whenever click on the show spinner, the spinner icon will be visible. And whenever click on the hide spinner, spinner will be hide. So click on the spinner. So I am able to show the spinner but hide a spinner, not able to click. So jump to the VS Code. In this section, I am adding a style, defining width 60%, height 60%, margin auto, and save the file and deploy this code. Code has been deployed to Salesforce. Now refresh the. Now I am clicking on the show spinner. So spinner icon visible. Whenever click on the hide spinner icon hide. So here you can show and hide the spinner icon. So friends, if you stuck in anything to create a custom lightning spinner in LWC, please write in comment box and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel TechW3Way. Thank you.